Canva has made some recent changes to opening a design in their application. To open up a project, I am looking at my branded templates, and I'm going to click on my branded template that I'd like to edit. Once the preview pops up, I'm going to click on those three dots in the upper right-hand corner and then click Edit Brand Template. To start the editing process, all I need to do is click on an element within the design for the designed window to take effect. Another way that I can launch a design is by clicking on the project, and once the preview opens, in the upper left-hand corner, there is a small square icon with an arrow on it that I can click to launch that design tab. And there you have it, authors, 2 new ways to open up your designs in the latest version of Canva.